Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello students, how are you all? Hope that you people are staying safe at home. You people are doing some good activities to enhance your home skills. And I'm really again and again promoting the idea to enhance your home skills because this is the best time. You people will never get such free time, such a long free time where you can say work on enhancing your home skills. What can be your home skills? How to manage your room cupboard, how to organize your books, how to clean your room, how to help your mother in the cooking, how to wash the dishes with your mother. These are all the home skills which, other than studies, for the whole life will be very helpful for you people to manage your day-to-day activities. Okay, I'm your teacher Sundar here, and today we will talk about the nutrient cycling within an ecosystem. First of all, nutrients. There are many major important nutrients like carbon, nitrogen. Many are present in the big amount, many are present in the trace amount. In the same way, we are having the water. So, these nutrients are needed by the plants, then from the plants they are going to the other trophic level, and finally they are again returning to the soil and adding back to the soil. So in our today's topic we will talk about the carbon cycle. We will talk in detail about the carbon cycle, and we will see that how the carbon as a nutrient is going into the surrounding and how it's coming back to the soil from the surrounding. So basically many chemical, physical processes are happening within the biotic and abiotic environment of an ecosystem to return these cycles and to keep these to keep these nutrients in a proper cycle of the environment. Okay, whenever we talk about the carbon is an essential nutrient which is present as a single, you can say sometimes the carbon is present in the form of the carbon dioxide inside the air, and then even the carbon dioxide is present inside the, you can say it's a main important component of the, it's a main important reactant of the photosynthesis also. So in the carbon cycle we will go through the 5 processes. How many processes? 5 processes. In the 5 processes, by 2 processes the carbon will be removed from the surrounding. By what is happening? By the 2 processes such as photosynthesis and feeding. What are the 2 processes? Photosynthesis and feeding. How by the photosynthesis? Because in the photosynthesis the carbon dioxide is the main reactant which the plants are using it, and then they are converting into a, you can say, important byproduct. Carbon is going to the carbon element is going to make the glucose at the end of the photosynthesis, and the other oxygen atom is going to release the excessive amount of the oxygen to the surrounding. Then this is the one way by which the plants are absorbing all the carbon dioxide and they are removing it from the excessive carbon dioxide from the environment. In the same way, whenever the animals are eating these plants, whenever the humans or the animals are eating these plants, they are taking in that carbon again from the surrounding. Okay, now what is happening now? Now there are the 3 processes by which the carbon is returning back to the environment. First, by the 2 processes, that is the photosynthesis and feeding, the carbon is removing from the surrounding. Now there are the 3 processes. Number 1 called respiration. What is the respiration? Now again glucose is broken down inside the cells, and again the glucose is a big compound. The glucose is broken down. It's a big compound having the chemical formula C6H12O6. So this big compound is broken down within the cell, releasing the energy there, and excessive of the element such as in the form of the carbon dioxide, the excessive of the compounds are going back to the surrounding now. Now in the respiration, glucose is being broken down, energy is released, and excessive amount of the carbon dioxide is released back to the surrounding now, released back to the environment. So in this way, by the way of the respiration, we are releasing the carbon back to the surrounding in the form of carbon dioxide. Now come toward the second one. The second one called combustion. What is the second one? The second one called combustion. Whenever combustion is a burning process. Which process? Burning process. Whenever you can say the dead bodies of the animals or even the dry, you can say barks of the tree, whenever we just burn them, what happened? They can release the amount of the carbon dioxide in the burning process, and that carbon dioxide is again directly going to the environment. The third one is the decomposition. Now, who are doing the decomposition? Along with the animals and plants, we are continuously side by side talking about the microbes. Microbes are the decomposers. Bacteria is a decomposer which is breaking down the dead bodies of the plants and animals, and whatever the good nutrients are inside the dead bodies, they are again giving back to the soil, and now that soil is again being used by a new producer, new plant to grow in. So by this way, basically it's a carbon cycle which is going in a circle. How it's going in a circle? By the five steps in going in a circle, the two steps are removing the carbon dioxide from the surrounding, and the three steps are again releasing back the carbon dioxide to the surrounding. So this is the importance of the carbon cycle. Yes, carbon is a very important nutrient which is needed for the proper recycling process, for the proper growth of the plants. Even as a you can say, whenever the plants will grow in the such environment, they are needing the important nutrient as a carbon, and then the same carbon is returning back to them in a whole cycle, and this thing we call it carbon cycle. Now we can say that while doing the reading, we can go through the importance of this carbon cycle, and we can even go through the whole steps. It's a step-by-step process, and by which how it's releasing and how it's removing and how it's releasing. So we can have the reading of our book, and first I will share a small link to you people to make it better understand, and then come to the reading of the book. Okay students, stay safe at home, and yes, please enhance your home skills. Enhance your cooking. For girls, they can enhance your cooking. Even boys can cook for them. Boys can make their own breakfast. Boys can help their mothers in cooking. Okay, and be very cooperative member of your home. Stay safe, and Allah Hafiz.